Today is Wednesday, September 22nd, 2021, and it's raining in Port Huron, Michigan. Wind has picked up. You can see a little color of the tree over there turning color because the fall colors will be coming soon. And it's been pouring rain here in Port Huron, Michigan since last night, and it's pouring rain out now this morning. In Port Huron, Michigan. And right now it is going on 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. It's like the Great Flood here, because it was pouring before midnight last night, and it hasn't stopped. Maybe it did during the night and after midnight. And it's just coming down, pouring rain. So I don't know what's going on, when it's going to stop, because it rained most of the time yesterday, off and on, and then last night it was raining throughout the night, just pouring. The temperature here right now is 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Last night it was 61 degrees Fahrenheit. So it went up down a couple of degrees. The burning bush shrub there will be turning color now pretty soon. There's two of them. They'll be turning color pretty soon in October. Today is September 22nd, 2021. So it'll be turning color pretty soon. And right now it's green, the leaves on it. Okay, this is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan. And the wind is picking up now a little bit. This morning it's been picking up. See the tree across the street blowing. I wonder if I could get into it. I guess I can get into it. My apartment 9. Here's the view of from the inside of my apartment. Here's the view from looking. There's the time right there, going on 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. Here's the view from my apartment window. I got my COVID mask there on my ottoman's chair, the ottoman from the chair, and then the computer. I got this the 3-panel map of the world. It's called the World Popular Map of the World, only because I was buying from Shutterfly 16 by 20 prints and putting them up there, which are shown here. That size there, the 16 by 20, and along with like 8 by 10s on the wall, and not putting in nails in the wall or anything like that, but buying these. So I'm addicted to Shutterfly, putting pictures up on the wall. So I ended up getting the map here, and then there's cat Tessie, my cat Tessie. She passed away. And I put the map here because I no longer buy any more 16 by 20 prints for the frame to put on the wall there. So I'm keeping that there for the duration, I guess, till I live here, till I'm not living here anymore. And then this picture here, I've had up on the wall forever. Can't remember when I bought it. It was either at Walmart or Myers or bought the frame. It's a canvas print. I don't know what the building is or where the location is of the print, but it looks like, looking here at the author, here's his, not author, but painter, here's his name, or her name, or whatever, Kenya, Ede, K A N UJO or YO or something like that. I can't make it out. And it's a beautiful painting. Got the light here. It's turn the light off here. Use my right hand here. There. Okay, so there's the view from my window, my door, outside. And here I am. Hello. The mirror. And going back outside again. Oh, I should show my pictures of my family here. My brother and my dad. That was August 28th, 1990, before he passed away in October. My dad passed away October 31st, 1990. And my great niece, Clara, and me in the picture here at the Freighters restaurant and tap room on the St. Clair River in Port Huron, Michigan. That was on August 9th, 2015 for my mom, Vera Stanley Rumford Celebration of Life. And this is the picture of my mom Christmas time, 2008. And I never seen her after that. I went back across the border, tried to get across the border, and my sister's birthday on February 5th, 2009, I couldn't cross, so I didn't get to see my mom when she passed away, before she passed away, on August 3rd, 2015. And my two nieces, Victoria, Tori for short, on the left, and then Tara on the right. So, and then picture of my mom and me here. We got this taken at Sears Portrait Studio when Sears used to be at Burchard Mall. Forgot the year that was, but I had longer hair then. I was a lot younger. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye. This is going on, how many minutes? 8 minutes and 32 seconds. So I'll go back outside. There's my garden flag. It's a chickadee. It's a chickadee and a bluebird. Chickadee and bluebird. And daisies. Okay, so this is Joanne Marie Rumford, Port Huron, Michigan. It's Wednesday, September 22nd, 2021, and it's about close to 10 after 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Bye for now.